So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss and identify the Jain site. As you know that we have talked and completed about the hominids, Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic till the Buddhist site. Now today we are going to identify the Jain site which are present in Indian subcontinent. And without getting further delayed, let's get it started. So let's identify the Jain site which is present in India. So there are just 7 sites related with it. So the first one which is present in Vallabhi, which is present in the Gujarat state, which is your Vallabhi, right? So Vallabhi, which is present in Vallabhi district of Gujarat, and it is important that this is the site from where the second Jain council held. Now let us move on the second one, which is present in Karnataka, and the site name is Aratipura, and this is present in the Madhya district of Karnataka. Now let us move on the third one, which is present in Jharkhand, and the name is Sikharji Temple. Sikharji Temple, right? This is present in the Jharkhand state in the Giridih district. Now let us move on the fourth one, which is present in Gujarat. Here you can see that, and the name of this site is Kumbharia. So this is present in the north part of the Gujarat. Now let us move on the fifth one, which is present in Karnataka, and the name of this site is Sravan Belagola. Right? It is present in the Hassan district of Karnataka. Now let us move on the sixth one, which is present in Rajasthan, and the name of this site is Dilwara Temple. Now let us talk about the last site, which is present in the Gujarat, the seventh one, and the name of this site is, you can see that it is Palitana. Right? It is situated in the Katharwar region of Gujarat. So it is the site from where the Palitana temples were built, right? Now that was all the site related with the Jain site which is present in India. So hope you have liked it, and if you have learned something, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.